Zdravo Slovenija, Servus Celje. I'm Domantas Antanavičius. I'm from Lithuania. I started playing football at my hometown city, Sūduva. I was champion with this team of Lithuania and played some games in Europe qualification. Also, I played in Stumbras 1.5 year, and my last team was from Estonia, Mardu. And also, I'm playing for Lithuania under 21 national team.
Mrežo se strese cele slave. Cele, cele. Cele, cele. Cele, cele. Cele, cele. Cele, cele. Cele, cele. Modro-rumena zastava vihra. Kadar se v Celju fuzbal igra. Naj pesem odmeva, naj sliši za vsak. Kdo šampion je, kdo je prvak? Cele, cele.
I arrived here because this team have very big ambitions, and for me as a player it's very good league to improve. Team and staff receive me very well. I feel here very good, like in home. And my expectation in this club is be as high as possible in this league.
V naši deželi lepšega ni. Od mesta, ki po celjskih grafih slavi. Pod zvezdami tremi Celjani žive. Goreče za fuzbal in bije srce. Cele, cele.
Mano miestas, mano komanda, pirmyn Celje.